Welcome to week 12 of our class. This week's only assignment is to meet with your book team. You need to contribute your ideas on your second discussion together. It's worth 2 points for each of you as your pre-work in the book team project. You'll be posting the final ideas you have to create two projects. One is a document to summarize the key information from your book. Don't go overboard. It should only be a front and back of a page at most. So you might want to do an infographic. You might want to do just an outline of notes, whatever you think will best capture the key information that others can take away from your book and keep as a handout if they'd like to print that for themselves. You'll also be posting by next week your interactive presentation. So this week's your planning week with your team. You'll be contributing, beginning your work. Next week, you'll be able to continue working as a team on the two documents, the highlights of your book, and then your interactive presentation. And next week, there are ideas about the interactive presentation, links in the module. You can go ahead and look at those as I'll be opening up that session as well. So you can plan ahead. You actually have 2 weeks to prepare and post with your team. Next week, one person from your team, just one of you, will kind of be the lead to upload your two items, your document and your interactive presentation, be it a PowerPoint, Prezi, any kind of platform that you feel like you can engage the rest of the classmates and get them interacting with some of the ideas from your book, as opposed to just reading through a highlighted summary. That's going to be on the document. You need to make the presentation thought-provoking for them to really reflect on some of the key activities or ideas that you feel would be really engaging for both educators and coaches in our class. So the timeline again is this week, you have all week to plan and contribute. You're using different colors and putting your ideas, putting your name there so that I can see each person's ideas on your team as you're working on creating this document together virtually. And then next week, by the end of that week, on that Sunday night of Module 13, both of your ideas, your document paper, your presentation need to be up so that others can access it during week 14 when they'll be interacting with the presentations and reflecting on ideas and giving some feedback to you about what they appreciate about what you have made for them. Thank you again. If you have any questions, please email me, and please stay safe and healthy.